In today's data-driven world, artificial intelligence (AI) has transformed the supply chain landscape. This video explores AI's game-changing impact on various sectors and unveils its three key components: machine learning and predictive analytics, natural language processing and chatbots, and robotics and automation. Machine learning and predictive analytics are the data detectives, sifting through historical data to uncover valuable insights, patterns, and trends. Natural language processing and chatbots provide instant, accurate responses to customer inquiries, freeing up supply chain teams for strategic decision-making. Meanwhile, robotics and automation revolutionize efficiency, executing repetitive tasks with precision. AI addresses supply chain challenges, offering tools for demand forecasting, supplier management, warehouse optimization, logistics efficiency, quality control, risk management, and customer satisfaction enhancement. From predicting consumer demand to optimizing warehouse layouts and ensuring quality control, AI is a supply chain strategic ally. It's not just technology, it's a transformative force poised to unlock new opportunities and reshape industries.